Today we will discussing the electromagnetism. Before the 19th century, there is no relation between the electricity and magnetism. After one of the scientists gives the connection between the electricity and magnetism. Experimentally proved. What is the Oersted experiment? What is meant by Oersted experiment? When the current carrying conductor it can producing the magnetic field is there. For example, here the current carrying conductor is there. It can producing the magnetic field. Okay, here we are taking a copper wire is there. We will connect to the ends of the copper wire is connected to the battery and key is there. Okay, when the switch is on, the current will be flows from positive terminal to negative terminal is there. Okay, in this the current will be from A to B is there. When the current carrying conductor it can producing the magnetic field around it. Here also same around it. For example, I will take a compass needle under the wire is there. Below the wire is there. Okay, compass needle will be some deflects are there. Here is the north south pole. Actually, the compass needle will be same. North to south is there. In this, the magnetic field is produced. That's why in the compass needle will be deflects are there. For example, I will take in the compass. By the compass needle will be deflects are there. Some compass needle will be near to the magnetic field. That's why the compass needle will some deflections are there. Here also same similar. Compass needle will be some deflects are there. Okay. There is no connection between the copper wire and compass needle. There is no connection between. The current carrying conductor it can producing the magnetic field. Magnetic field is that's why again the compass needle will be deflects. What is the Oersted experiment? When the current carrying conductor it can producing the magnetic field around it is there. That means the Oersted experiment. What is the magnetic field? Magnetic field. For example, I will take a bar magnet is there. Okay, I will take a iron pieces. The iron pieces will be at the various points of the near the bar magnet is there. Here also same symbol. In this, the iron pieces will be some force is acting on this like this. In this the iron pieces will be some force is acted on this side. Here also same similar. Here also same similar. The iron pieces will be some force is acted on this like this. The lines of forces due to some force is there, due to some magnet is there. That's in the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field region. Total will be magnetic field region is there. Okay, the SI units of the magnetic field. Tesla. The SI units of the magnetic field is Tesla. Okay. For example, I will take a bar magnet is there. Compass needle will be at the place of the bar magnet. Compass needle will be some deflects are there due to some magnetic field is there. Here is the remove and in this place is there. In this and same the compass needle will be some force is acted on the bar magnet due to bar magnet is there like this same also. Like here also. Like here also. When the lines of forces due to magnetic field is there. Okay. This is the reason is magnetic field. Here is the distance between two is the field strength. The distance between two lines is the field strength. See the next topic. Okay. Uniform magnetic field. Uniform, non-uniform. Okay. What is meant by uniform? Uniform means equal are there. When the lines of forces are equal. Okay. When the lines of forces are equal. Okay. The distance between two lines will be represent the field strength. The distance between, you will take any two lines will be field strength. Here are some field strength is there. Here are some field strength is there. Here also some field strength is there. Here the equal distances. Equal distances are. Equal field strength also is there. The direction of the magnetic field is always, all are in the same direction is there. Means the uniform. You will take any point on this region. The magnetic field will be equal. For example, here the magnetic field is same. Here the magnetic field is 50 Tesla. Here the 50 Tesla. Here the 50 Tesla. That is means uniform magnetic field. Okay. What is the non-uniform magnetic field? What is the non-uniform? Here also same. The field lines will be the lines of forces. Some circles are there. Here the field strength will be equal. The field strength means it can represent the distance between two lines is there. Here also same similar. The distance between two lines will be field strength is there. Here the equal field strengths are there. But is in the opposite. Here the directions. Here I will take in the direction of magnetic field this direction. Here I will take in the direction of magnetic field this direction. Here also same similar. The direction of the magnetic field is this direction. Here also here point will be this direction. The directions are in the same. In this the directions are in the all are in the same direction. Here the direction will be changes are there. Field strength will be same, but in the direction will be changes are there. Means the non-uniform. Non-uniform means that some changes are there. That is called as the non-uniform magnetic field is there. Okay. See the next. Magnetic flux. Okay. Magnetic flux, it can be represented by the pi. The lines of forces, when the lines of forces is passing through the area is called as the, here also there is some. Okay. Here the lines of forces passing through the area is perpendicular to field is there. Here the lines of forces is perpendicular to area. Here the lines of forces in this direction is there. The area is this one. The lines of forces is passing through the area is perpendicular is called as the magnetic flux is there. Here is the magnetic field direction. Here is the area. Area vector is the A bar. A bar is the area vector is always perpendicular to surface of the area. The area vector is always perpendicular to surface of area. A bar and B bar are in the same direction is there. Means the pi is equals to magnetic flux is equals to B dot A. When the lines of forces is passing through the area is perpendicular is there. It's called as the magnetic flux. The SI units of the magnetic flux is Weber. The SI units of the magnetic flux is Weber. Okay. See the magnetic flux density. Okay. Here also same similar. When the number of lines passing through the unit area is called as the magnetic flux density. The number of lines passing through the unit area is called as the magnetic flux density. Here is the unit area. The number of magnetic field lines of forces passing through the unit area, only unit area is called as the magnetic flux density, denoted by capital B. Phi is equals to magnetic flux B dot A, or BA cos, here is the dot, is the dot means the cross, BA cos theta. B is equals to, here is the area is always perpendicular to surface of area. A bar is there. A bar and B bar will be along the same direction, means the theta will be 0. Theta is equals to 0 degrees. Pi is equals to only cos 0 is 1. BA. B is equals to pi by A. The magnetic fields, the magnetic flux density to denoted by pi is equals to the ratio of the magnetic flux to the area. The SI units of the magnetic flux density is, here is the flux is there. Flux means the Weber, or area. Area means the meter square. The SI units of the magnetic flux density is Weber for meter square. Okay. For example, same fields, the number of lines is the same direction, but here I am taking the area will be some changes are there. For example, area is this like this. Here is the area vector is always perpendicular to surface of the area. This perpendicular is there. The area vector is always perpendicular to surface of area. Here is the magnetic field direction is this direction. It is some angle is there. Pi is equals to same B dot A or BA. Here is dot product, means cos is there. Pi is equals to BA cos theta. Here angle is, I don't know how much the value. Pi is equals to BA cos theta. B is equals to pi by A cos theta. The magnetic flux density B is equals to pi by A cos theta. Okay. See the next question. Magnetic field due to straight current carrying conductor. Current carrying conductor. Okay. Take a cardboard, make a hole, take a 1 meter copper wire is passing through the hole, and the ends of the copper wire is connected to the battery and key. Okay, this key is the battery. Okay, here also, first of all, there is no key is closed. For example, I will take a iron pieces near to the hole is there. It's different direction, random direction is there. The iron fillings will be different random direction is there. For example, I will switch on the key when the current passing from positive terminal to negative terminal is there. Here is the straight current carrying conductor is there. When the current carrying is positive terminal to negative terminal is there. Okay, here is the iron fillings will be forms to the circles are there. Why the forms will be circles are there? The current carrying conductor is producing the magnetic field is there. That's why taking the iron fillings will be forms due to the some circles are there. Due to some magnetic field, that's why taking the iron will be forms in the circles. Some field is producing when here the current carrying conductor is there. It can producing the magnetic field is there. Okay. Here also some identify the right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule it can represent the direction of magnetic field is there. Here the right hand thumb rule is there. Here the thumb is it indicates the direction of current. The curl fingers. Here the curl fingers it denoted by magnetic field. Here also same similar. Current will be downward direction is there. Downward. Curl fingers will be this direction. Current will be downward direction. Curl finger will be this direction. Means the the magnetic field direction is clockwise direction. Current will be downward direction. The magnetic field will be clockwise, means this one. Current direction is downward. Curl finger will be this one, means the clockwise direction. For example, I will change this the battery. Here is negative, here is positive. Okay, when the current will be flow from down to up. When the current flows from down to up is there. Here is there. Here is the current direction. Thumb means the current direction. Curl fingers will be magnetic field direction is there. Here is the upward. Here means upward is there. Curl fingers will be anti-clockwise direction. This one. The current will be the magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. Here is the current will be upward. The magnetic field is always anti-clockwise. Means here the current carrying conductor is there. We will take up to down or down to up is there. Current carrying conductor, it can producing the magnetic field is there. Means the straight current carrying conductor, it can producing the magnetic field. That's why taking the iron fillings will be some spheres, some circles are there. The iron will be, first of all, iron will be in the random direction is there. In this, the iron fillings will be formed in the circles. Means the straight current carrying conductor, it can producing the magnetic field is. See the next concept. Dot it can represent the outward direction. Dot is, it can represent the outward direction. For example, you will take in the outward direction is there. Current will be outward direction. The curl fingers will be anti-clockwise direction. Current is outward direction. The magnetic field is this one. Outward means curl fingers will be anti-clockwise direction. For example, into is there. Into means this one. Into the board is there. Into the board. The curl fingers will be clockwise. The curl fingers will be clockwise. The magnetic field is clockwise direction. Okay, see the next concept. The magnetic field is due to circular coil. Next one. Here also same similar, same current carrying conductor. It can be circular is there. Current is the conductor is the circular position. You will find out the how much the form how to form a magnetic field is there. Here also same similar. Okay, take a wooden block or cardboard, make it 2 holes. Take a cardboard, make a some 2 holes are there. The current, the copper wire will be passing through the holes like this. The ends of the conductor is connected to the battery and key. Take a cardboard, make some 2 holes are there. When the copper wire will be passing through the holes are there. Okay, here the battery will be, the ends of the copper will be connected to the battery is there. When the before the switch on, some iron fitting will be different directions are there. The iron fittings will be different directions. Okay, here I will take in the when the switch is closed, when the current passing from positive terminal to the negative terminal, this direction is there. The current will be clockwise direction is there. Okay, here I will take in when the switch is on, the current will be flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery is there. Here I will take in you will take the compass needle in this position is there. Some deflections are there. Here also some deflections are there. In this the iron fittings will be formed in the circles. Here also same similar. The iron fittings will be formed in some circles are there. Here also some circle, here also some circle. This the body will be compass needle, some deflections are there. If we take any point of this in this there, compass needle will be deflections are there. Why the compass needle will be deflects? Some due to some magnetic field is there. Here there is no connection is there, magnetic field. Only I will connect the battery is there. When the current is passing through the conductor is there, it can producing the magnetic field. That's why like in the iron field will be some circle shapes are there. Okay. Here also same similar right hand thumb rule. Here the circles are there. That's why like in the circular coil is there. Different. Here is the first one into the straight current carrying conductor is thumb is the current. It is curl fingers will be magnetic field. In this the circular coil will be quite opposite. Thumb we will take the magnetic field. Curl fingers taking the current. Here also same similar. Curl fingers taking the current. The thumb will be denoted by magnetic field. Here also same similar. The thumb will be into the board. The curl fingers current will be clockwise direction. The magnetic field is into the board. Into the board. For example, I will changing the battery is there. Here is negative, here is positive. When the current will be this direction is there. This direction. Here see. The curl fingers will be current is there. Current direction is anti-clockwise direction. When the magnetic field is towards is there. Current will be anti-clockwise. The magnetic field is outward direction. We'll take any place on the place is there. Compass needle will take any place on this there. Some deflections are there. Why? Here the current carrying conductor is producing the magnetic field is there. That's why taking the iron fillings will be some circles are there. To form a circles are there. Here the circular coil is there. Circle means circular conducting coils is there. It can producing the magnetic field. That's in the circular coil it can producing the magnetic field. Okay, see the next concept. Here we take in the clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise is the, for example, current will be in clockwise direction. Current will be in clockwise direction. Here the south. The direction of magnetic field is south. When the current will be clockwise direction, the direction of the magnetic field is south. For example, if we take a current will be in anti-clockwise direction.